Hi guys, what's good? Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part of the video where I'm trying to use ChatGPT to analyze my chart, and today is we are going to be taking a real trade. And for those of you that didn't see the first part where I was analyzing the charts back to back, a link will pop up here. You can check and you will see the video here and what to also learn how to do it yourself. This ChatGPT is very crazy. Now I think all traders should start using this thing to analyze to confirm their entry. So this will reduce the way you lose trade or something like that. So yeah, what we are looking at today is not really that much. Let me show you. So what we are doing is very simple. I'm just waiting for price to break this 2.270 persistent and we enter immediately, because that's what ChatGPT said. Let me show you. So I sent this to ChatGPT earlier when the price is about to break, and this is what he has to say.
Price is right at the wedge resistance, 2.762 on the 15-meter time frame. Key observations. Price is testing the breakout zone. EMA 50, 2.742 is holding as support. RSI 32.79 was oversold but is now recovering. Possible scenarios. Breakout above 2.770, bullish confirmation. Entry on strong candle close above 2.770. Target 2.800 and 2.840. Target rejection, possible pullback to 2.720, 2.700. Entry if price fails to break and closes below 2.750. Target 2.720, 2.680. Watch for a breakout or rejection confirmation before entering. What's your bias?
So this is what ChatGPT is saying, we should enter after a strong close above this 2.770. Although price is trying to close now, but we still need to wait for this candle to close. This is 15-minute candle. and we still need to wait for it to close. And once the price close, we are going in immediately. And for us to take this trade, I have like deposit this, and I'm testing this with just a $20 USDT. Yeah, and I'll be using times 10x leverage. I'm not doing too much. 10x leverage with $20. So let's see. Let's go. So price is about closing. Yeah, 30 seconds to go. Immediately the price close, I'm going to send it to ChatGPT so we can get our stop loss, and I'll also enter the trade here. So let's see. So we're buying here, candle close above, so I'm longing. So I'm in already. So let's send this to ChatGPT for our stop loss. Yeah, this is what ChatGPT have to say.
Breakout confirmed, bullish momentum in play. Price has broken above resistance, 2.77U. Retest of 2.77 to 2.760 could offer a buy opportunity. Next resistance levels, 2.800, 2.820. If price holds above 2.770, expect further upside. If it falls back below, fake out risk increases.
Let me just tell him I'm in already.
Nice entry. If momentum holds, watch for 2.800 or 2.820 as TP zones. Stop loss below 2.760 to avoid a fake out trap.
Okay.
RSI is rising but not overbought yet. Still room to push higher. Let it ride, but stay sharp.
Okay, so our stop loss is 2760. 2760, where is it? Yeah, this stop loss. Our take profit is 2820. Well, this is just a 1-to-2 risk ratio trade. It's not bad. Let's see how it goes. So now everything is in place. Let's watch and see, and I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, update. We lost that first trade, so yeah. Although it's not much, it's just like it's not even up to $2. Let me show you. We started with $20 and now we have $18.3. So here is the trade. We lost that. But then let me share it with ChatGPT. Let me see what you have to say about this. Yo, what's up? What do you have to say, man?
Yo, price reject from the target zone and dipped back to retest the breakout level. If 2.7588 and 2.770 holds, you might get another push up. If it breaks below, expect a deeper pullback. How are you managing it? Holding or partial TP?
You just lost money, fam.
Damn, that's tough. The breakout looked solid, but it got slapped back hard. What's the next move? Revenge trade or stepping back to reassess?
What do you mean by revenge trade? Are you whining me?
Not at all, bro. Just checking if you're planning to jump back in immediately or if you're taking a step back to analyze. No whining, just straight talk.
Yeah, let's analyze.
Alright, let's break it down. 1. Previous trade review. Entry was after a breakout of the trend line. Price hit a resistance zone and rejected. Now it's back below the breakout level and hovering around the 50 EMA. 2. Current market structure. The rejection suggests buyers got weak at resistance. It's now testing previous breakout levels, potential support. RSI dropped from overbought, but isn't fully bearish yet. 3. Next move consideration. If it holds above the EMA and forms bullish rejections, we might have a re-entry. If it breaks below with strong bearish momentum, sellers are taking over. Do you want to wait for confirmations, or are you looking for an aggressive re-entry?
Let's wait for confirmation.
Good call. Let's wait for a bullish rejection, strong wick or engulfing candle at support, RSI to stabilize or bounce from a key level, a re-break above resistance with volume. If price keeps breaking down, we stay out. I'll watch with you.
Alright, cool.
Stay sharp. Let's catch the next move right.
You can see how great this thing is. Like, you can even prompt it like your guy. Like, you can even talk to the AI the way you like your normal guy, and it will respond you well. So although we lost that trade, but then we are still going to enter again, and we are going to make profit. Just trust me. Just stay sharp. Yeah, let's go.
That was impossible. Use whatever say.
People who want this on Wall Street strategy.
yeah, I just want to like round up this video once and for all. This my light is hurting my eye, that's why I'm putting this on. So I have been trading. Let me show you what I've been up to. So when price was rejecting, I screenshot the chart and sent it to ChatGPT, and this is what it has to say.
Price is breaking the trend line and approaching your buy zone. 2.95 minus 2.96. Next steps. Wait for price to tap into the red zone. Look for bullish rejection wicks or strong green candles before entering. If price breaks 2.94, the setup is invalid. Stay patient. The best entry is always with confirmation.
Alright, so basically this is what ChatGPT is telling us. It's telling us to wait for rejection in this red zone. So when price gets to the red zone, I screenshot and send it to the AI, and this is what it has to say again.
Price reacted well to the red demand zone and broke above the minor trend line. Now one retest of breakout. Watch if price holds above 2.98, 2.99. 2. EMA support. If it stays above the 50 EMA, momentum is still bullish. 3. RSI confirmation. RSI is recovering, but rejection near 60-70 may signal weakness. If price flips 3.0 cleanly, it could push higher. If it struggles, expect a retest of 2.96 again.
So I ask, where should we enter?
Entry plan. 1. Aggressive entry. Buy now 2.99 area if you trust the breakout. Stop loss below 2.96 previous demand zone. Target 3.5 at 3.10. 2. Safer entry. Wait for a clean break and retest of 3.0. Enter after a bullish confirmation candle above 3.0. SL below 2.97. Target 3.10 plus. If price struggles near 3.0 and rejects, be cautious. Sellers might take control.
So when the price started breaking structure, I sent the chart to him again, and this is what he has to say.
Price has broken the descending trend line and is holding above 3.0 lows. Updated entry plan. 1 buy now, 303 to 305 if confident in breakout. SL below 2.98. TP 3.05, 310. 2. Safer entry. Wait for a retest of 3.0 and confirmation. Enter after a bullish reaction. SL below 298. TP 3.10 plus. If price rejects 3.0 and drops, be cautious of a fake out.
And I decided to just enter. I enter immediately. After price broke this place, I just enter straight. And I ask, what do you think?
Entry looks solid. Price broke out, retested the trend line, and is holding above 3.0. Hash observations. Bullish structure intact. 50 EMA acting as support. RSI above 50, confirming momentum. Next steps. If price holds above 3 VU, let it run to TP 3.5 to 3.10. If price starts rejecting 3.02 heavily, consider partial profits. If it drops below 3.0, cut losses quickly. Looking good so far.
And price retested this place and started buying. I still screenshot the chart and send it to ChatGPT so to get where to get out of the trade or still hold. And this is what he has to say.
Price tested the 3.0 zone again, but held strong, forming a wick rejection. Buyers defended 3.0, strong demand. Price bounced off 50 EMA, bullish signal. RSI holding above 50, momentum intact. Next steps. Above 3.02, momentum should increase toward TP. Below 3.40, be cautious, deeper pullback possible. Consider securing partials soon to reduce risk. Still looking good for upside continuation.
So then price started rejecting here, and I asked, what should I do? I didn't even ask, I just screenshot it and sent it to you, and this is what he has to say.
Price is testing 3.0 again, and this time it looks weaker. Observations. Support at 3.0 is under pressure. Break below could lead to deeper retracement. RSI dropping, momentum fading. Next steps. If 3.0 breaks cleanly, expect a move toward 298 or lower. If it holds with strong wicks, buyers may push back up. Secure partials or manage risk accordingly. Market is at a decision point. Watch closely.
So I asked, close or still hold?
Price is struggling at 3.0 and sellers are gaining momentum. Decision. If 3.0 breaks with strong bearish candles, close. If it wicks and bounces back above 3.005, hold. Right now it's risky. If unsure, consider closing partials to reduce exposure.
And before I even finish discussing this one, my stop loss has hit already. So I just send it that SL hit, and this is what it has to say.
Yeah, it got stopped out. Annoying, but no stress. On to the next setup. Keep it moving.
And I'm now asking, how many more SL before TP? Like, are you whining me? What's all this? I thought you are AI.
There's no fixed number. It's all about probability. If the setup is solid and well executed, the next trade could be a winner. Just stay disciplined and stick to the plan.
But funny enough, look at the price. Look at what happened. Price broke structure here, and see how the thing showed up. Like, I don't know why this stupid AI did not even see this sell setup and just tell me to sell. But then I now ask that, like, why? Okay, I send it to, before you even get to this place, I send it to ChatGPT. They're like, why don't you give me this sell setup?
I should have called it earlier. The rejection from that supply zone, break of trend line, and EMA crossover were clear sell signals. I'll refine the strategy and be more proactive next time. Let's focus on catching the next move with precision.
And I said, you need to stay focused. Like, you are losing focus.
No more slips. I'll stay sharp and call the best setups on time. Let's get back in sync and dominate the next trade.
So that's how it goes. That's how I lost another trade. So I've lost 2 trades now with ChatGPT. But the thing is, I think it's not that the AI is not working, but then I think like you need to like use a better prompt for it so that you can like prompt it properly. That would be the end of this video because it's really late at night. This is about what is the time? 4:07 in the morning. I have been awake since yesterday, so just doing some random stuff. You can see my fresh cut abi. They enter your eye. Close them. So that's that about that. If you love content like this, kindly hit that subscribe button for your boy. Just support the movement. At least if Forex is not paying me, let's you to pay me now. Subscribe, like, share. Let's hit that 1,000 subscriber goal and 4,000 watch hour. Get me? So if you like content like this, kindly hit that subscribe button for your boy. Turn on post notifications so you won't be missing my next video. I'll be dropping banger video back to back, so you don't want to miss it. Stay blessed till next time. See ya.